Swing at Seattle, Intro to Swing. This is what we did for our first class here in May. Thank you very much for joining us. Here's the basic step. It looks like rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, you giddy up and back, get up. Rock, step, left in front, right and back for the leaders.
Right in front, left and back for the followers.
We put those elements together into the following sequence of events. Here's the basic triple step and triple step. Rock step, send you out. Triple step, rock step, come on back and triple step. Also side by side and triple step. Through the tunnel, triple step and triple step. Rock step, we bring it back in triple step. And there we go. Now let's look at it with a little bit of music. It looks like so.